What's going on, boys? Sean or Mustang 09 bringing you a new video, and today we have a special guest in town. We got my buddy Ryan. What's up, mister? How are you doing, sir?
Good.
He's camera shy, as usual. Yeah. He's gonna be quiet. But as you can tell, we've got the Mustang and the truck all cleaned up, looking shiny, looking fresh, and we are gonna go out and take some photos of that for you guys right now. So actually, it's not just for you guys, it's for me. I like looking at them too, but Ryan is a master behind the camera, so he's gonna make these cars look great. Finally get to do some couple shots with the Mustang and the truck, and I'm gonna update some of my images on social media, probably like my background on my YouTube page. So right now you go there and look, it's like a RTR wheel, but eventually it's gonna be the truck and the Mustang together. So Ryan's gonna hop in the Mustang. I'm gonna give him the keys and let him drive this, and then I'm gonna follow behind. I'll probably lead the way in the truck, and
yeah, I don't know where we're going.
We're gonna go back to like the warehouse district behind my house and take some sick shots. So I'm gonna bring you some content from there, but right now we're gonna hop in and head that way. I'm curious to see how much you gotta move the seat up.
All the way.
See where he is right now, and not happening. Okay, I'm gonna hop in and you follow me. Ooh, looking good. I don't let many people drive my cars, but I trust Ryan, and I know he won't stall it. Anytime you have warehouse areas, they're always like pretty good for shooting pictures. So if you got one like near your house, definitely go check it out. We've got a lot of cool like scenery and warehouse industrial looking stuff. So we're gonna give it a shot back here and see if we can find a cool location. So this is location number 1 for the shoot. It looks familiar now because it's the end screen of my videos, and I really like this location, so I'm gonna let Brian back the car up. He's the photographer, and we're gonna let him adjust it all, and then I'll pull the truck in wherever he wants me to pull the truck in at. Not a big fan of the shadow up front like that. Don't like it.
I think it'll be all right.
Yeah,
That'll look good.
Oh yeah, that looks sick already. Let me air out on the Mustang. Do you have the keys?
They're in it.
Okay. Put us tight. Oh, she's looking good. They're looking really good. Now we gotta let the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Party El Marty, follow him on Instagram. I'll leave it. It's right here on the screen somewhere, and then it'll also be in the description. I need like a shot like that, like a thumbnail. We're walking way out here. Ryan's got his long lens out, so you can see the truck and car way over there. He's back this way. About to get that sauce, that fire. Oh boy, I'm excited about this. I haven't had these two together like this in ever. Like since I've had the truck, they've either one's been dirty or one's been broke, or not broke, but it's been down when the drive shaft install. You saw those videos before this, so I'm excited. It's looking good. While Ryan's snapping some photos, I guess now's a good time as ever just to kind of explain what the issue was with the center console. You saw that video. It was a funny video. It was meant to be humorous. Some guys took it the wrong way. There were some rude comments on there, but those are gone. We don't put those on the channel. Positivity over here. I'll do Logic's quote, peace, love, and positivity. That's what we want, baby. That's all that's going to be accepted on the Mustang channel. But the center console issue was simply a coin tray. That's easy as that. They ordered a new lid, put a new lid on, and it was still doing it. And the service manager was like, man, it's the coin tray. And so what happened was when I bought the truck, it was missing a coin tray, and the sales rep, I had to bring it in for, there's a little ding in the passenger door, I guess from being on the lot, somebody hitting it with another car door. But they fixed that. It looks great. Can't even tell it was there. And he just handed me a coin tray, and me being me, I looked up online what a coin tray for an F-250 looks like, and this one didn't look the same. But I didn't say anything because I thought maybe like a King Ranch or a Lariat or somebody, they got different coin trays. In my mind, I was trying to justify it, but of course they would all have the same, and the service manager swapped it out, and the lid closes now and it locks and it stays locked and shut, and so it's all good. But the other coin tray that was in there was a little too tall, keeping the lid from closing properly, and so now we're back in business. Thank you, AutoNation Ford, taking care of your boy. I appreciate it, making things right.
Brian was in the Army. He wasn't a sniper, but behind the lens, he definitely is a sniper. Check it out.
That right there, my friends, is commitment level 1,000, dedication to getting the shot. Oh, you know, just doing a little fake vlogging action right now. I got my boy Ryan taking some photos of me as we pretend vlog between the cars. Get a little portrait stuff going down. Yeah, looking good, looking fly. Strike pose. What's up? What's up? All right, I'm getting out of the shot, dude. We did a little bit of car shuffling, moved them into the shade.
Hopefully give him a better look so the sun's not beaming down on him too hard, but dang.
If that's not couple goals, I don't know what is, boys.
Snap. Dang, off-roading, bro. Sneak peek. Oh, you can't even see it. Psych. Go to his Instagram and follow him.
Thanks so much
To Ryan, once again, for shooting my cars. Proud of you, sir.
You're welcome.
You are so good.
So be on the lookout for those pictures very, very soon. Also, make sure to follow his Instagram. One more time, we're going to plug that once again. Party El Marty. Go give him a follow. But right now, we're headed back to the house.
And somebody brought their Mustang.
Yep.
And somebody's Mustang
Has nitrous.
has nitrous. That's right.
It'll be my first time ever being in a car with nitrous. I've never even ridden in a nitrous car before, and his bottle's filled up, so we're going to be able to go see what that feels like. I'm excited. So
Put these bad boys, put her back in the garage, park him back out front. I think it's a her and him combo, right? Like, I don't think a big old truck like that can be a girl, so her in the garage, him out front, hop in the nitrous Mustang.
that's my baby. Oh, Ryan, you make her look so good.
And here you'll see Project Rake and Bake in the wild, loading up the custom nitrous tune.
Brian's never seen the new Summit Auto that we have here in Arlington, so I'm going to take him there to Summit Race. It's Summit Racing. I don't know why I called it Summit Auto, but I'm going to take him there. It's going to be a good time, and I may bring you guys in to show you around. We've seen it before, so we'll fill it out. We'll see how busy they are, and bringing the big cameras in kind of weird sometimes, so we'll see. We have a passenger in the back. Oh, girl.
Watch out for the racers.
Scared the hell out of me.
Oh shit. What? You break something?
You hear that?
Yeah. You pull in and check it out. Sounds like from this side it's over there, but it sounds like it's in the back.
It's not good, boys. Not good. Looks like this vlog is taking a turn, and the old Super Duty may be towing a car down to San Antonio. He's got school in the morning, and I've got to be back. I've got some guests coming to town for work, so I've got to be here for that. But we may be pulling all-nighter, monstering it up to escort my buddy to his house. So more soon, more updates soon. I'll keep you in the loop. This vlog may get extended, and it may be a little bit longer. That sucks, man. He's handling it extremely well, but it's like every time he comes to town, something happens, and I feel super, super bad about it every single time, man. So the next trip, I'm going down to San Antonio. We're gonna pray about it and hope everything's okay. So yeah, stay tuned. We may be renting a trailer and towing this bad boy home. About these trailers, you would do these latches, then this thing folds down. Watch your door still.
Yeah, probably. I'm gonna pull the code.
Hey Mustang, do you have another battery?
No. You're good. You're good. We are making our way to San Antonio with my boy Ryan. Say what's up, Ryan. Courtney's in the back. Mustang's back behind her. We're live streaming on Instagram, but I better put all this down because this is too much while I'm driving. I'll update you guys here in a minute. Well, boys, we made it to our first pit stop of the journey. It's a long journey. We are driving to San Antonio and back in one night. And from where I live to where he lives, it's about 4.5 hours when you're towing. So on the way back, it should be hopefully like 4-ish hours. Man, I look really good in this light right now. Dang. Make sure we're focused. There we go. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, anyways, here's the car.
The truck's pulling perfect. Everything feels great. Car's locked down. Man, this thing.
I like it, boys. I like it. We need a car trailer. That's what we need next. Right, babe? Car trailer? Don't listen to her. She's negative Nancy. We're going to get a car trailer one of these days. But we have to get back on the road. This is a long journey. Quick trip update for you guys. The screen's freaking out, but don't mind that. 6:59, 10:08 ETA. Next stop, which is our last stop before our final destination.
None other than Buc-ee's.
If you're traveling through Texas, you got to stop at one of these. Picked up some water and a barbecue sandwich because I'm getting kind of hungry. But
everything's going great. Truck's still hauling phenomenally. Car is still tight. Everything's good to go. So this U-Haul trailer is working out just fine. It's holding project Rake and Bake in place. So
we're almost there. I think we're like 40 minutes from his dad's house. So let's get back in the truck, knock out the rest of this trip. Quick time check for you guys. We made it. There's the details from the trip. It's 10:24. Ryan's taking it off the trailer.
the truck did amazing.
So happy with it and how it turned out. I gotta show you these lights. There's lights on right here, an LED. Let me show you. Push this button right here. Now, we have a light so you guys can see me. It's so perfect. But the truck did great. We have Ryan dropped off. Now we've got to park the trailer and Ryan's gonna return that. So now I can drive home without anything and we can just buzz and get home. Right now we're about 4.5 hours out. So it's gonna be fun. It's 10:30. We're actually gonna stop. We're silly. We're gonna stop in San Marcos. That's where my wife's family lives, like a lot of them. And so we're gonna say hi at a Starbucks, let her get some coffee so she'll stay awake. And I may get like a hot chocolate or something because I need something warm to get inside my system so I can stay up. But yeah, so I'll keep you updated until we get home and let you know how the truck does. Alrighty, boys, we made it back home. Time check real quick, 2:55 a.m. And we're back. This feels so good. We accomplished a mission. We went out, set forth, and we did work, baby. I do have to say, the truck did most of the work. This thing was awesome, man, as it should be. I mean, this thing is what it's made for, and it did its job tremendously. This truck is great. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm probably blabbering because I'm so tired. So I just want to thank you guys for watching this. And leave some good comments down below for Ryan. It just sucks. So hopefully we can get his car figured out, or he can get his car figured out, and it's an easy fix. We don't quite know what it is yet. So I'm going to get him to update me on what it is, and then that way I'll update you guys. But thanks so much for watching. It's been Sean or Mustang09. Make sure you follow Ryan on Instagram and myself. Links in the description below. We're going to have some sick new pictures to post for you guys. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Take it easy, boys, and good night.